Hi everyone, with me today I have this Rotary cutter set, which is a total game changer for crafting and sewing beginners or even seasoned pros. You're getting everything you need to dive deeper into your projects, including the following: a 45mm rotary cutter, extra blades, a A3 cutting mat that is double-sided, a quilting ruler, a crafting knife, extra blades, and 20 sewing clips. The rotary cutter is super great. It's ergonomic with a comfortable grip handle that works for both righties and lefties. Plus it has a lock button, so it's super okay to walk around with it, lock it up, and even the littles can be around it as well, because when you lock it, you cannot get it out at all. I also love that the blades are razor sharp. They cut through layers of fabric, paper, leather, and even vinyl like butter. It's perfect for precise cuts and clean edges. I love the self-healing cutting mat because it's durable, double-sided, and doesn't dull out your blades. Plus, it makes easy to cut and measured right on it as well. Whether you're quilting, you're sewing, scrapbooking, or working on your own DIY projects, this kit has got you covered for everything. It makes such a great gift for crafters as well. But if you're ready to upgrade your sewing or your crafting game, add this rotary cutter set to your cart on Amazon now. It is the perfect starter kit for anyone looking to create something absolutely beautiful.